Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. I am Trideep Rai with you. Today I will take you another English first pair class. You know very well that according to routine it is our scheduled time to taking our English first pair class. So before starting my class, I want to discuss you a very important object. As you are staying at home ideally, so some of my students or young generation have been affected seriously by smoking. You know that smoking is very dangerous for our health. You must keep away from this bad addiction. Dear students, let's go our topics. I will show you some picture and you will try to guess what is the person or who is the person of the skin. Dear students, do you know her? Yes, you are absolutely right. You know her very well. What is her name? Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya, you know, is a famous writer and social worker and also a feminist. So, what will be our topic today? She is a famous writer and social worker. I have told you before. Our today's topics, Begum Rokeya 1. Have you read this topic? I think you have read about this famous woman. So, dear students, before going to our main topic, firstly you should know some word meaning. Without learning word meaning, a topic or a passage will not be clear to you. Above the passage, I have found out some important words that are famous. Famous. The word famous, it's an adjective. What will be the similar word of famous? Let us see. Popular, very known or well known, and antonym of the word may be unknown, or that means is very rare to know. The person is very rare. Next one. So, here make a sentence with a famous. Famous is an adjective. Example, the man is famous for his kindness. The man is famous for his kindness. Another word, believe. Believe. What is the parts of speech of believe? It's a verb. We know it. The Other words may be trust, suppose, and the antonym of the word believe is disbelieve. Everybody believes him very much. Here is the uses of the word. Next, encourage. Encourage is a verb. The similar word of encourage, inspire. Inspire, to inspire anybody. Motivate. Motivate is another similar word of encourage. Antonym of the word or opposite word, discourage. Discourage. Example, please look at the screen. His words encourage us. It may be our last word meaning rights. Rights, that is a noun. Real, actually. Real, actually. The antonym of the word unreal. That means unreal. Example, women should have same rights as men. So, dear learner, let us read the passage. Begum Rokeya 1. I would like to say that firstly, you will read this text again and try to guess the substances of the topic. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker, and she was born in 1880 and died in 1932. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as like a man. And throughout her life, she fought for the women's right. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Poirawan, Rangpur. Her father, Zohiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Saber, was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now in the district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. That means her husband always encouraged her about her works. He would not discourage her at all. Many upper class Muslims of Bangalore at that time learned Arabic and Persian as the medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. So, dear learners, Hope you better understood the passage. I would like to ask you some question. I am trying to give you some question with a spidergram. Let's know about Begum Rokeya. The spidergram, look at the picture, and there are some short questions or some the information to the circles. At first, born in. Do you know when she was born? You are absolutely correct. 1880. Next one, birthplace, where she was born. We read it before. Pairabon, Rangpur. You are absolutely correct. Next one, father. That means father's name. Do you know her father's name? Zoiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Saber. Okay, dear students. Next one, husband. That means the name of her husband. Khan Bahadur Shaukat Hossain, KB in short. Khan Bahadur Shaukat Hossain. Together. Next one, fought for. Why she fought for throughout her life, and what is the reason of fight? Throughout her life, she fought for women's rights. You know that in our society, women's rights are very poor. He would try to always for the women's rights and same opportunities as like men. At last one, died in. When Begum Rokeya was died, or when was Begum Rokeya died? Begum Rokeya was died in 1932. Dear students, this is the total biography of Begum Rokeya. Next slide, I will ask you some multiple choice question. You better understand the right answer from the alternatives. Begum Rokeya fought for. For what Begum Rokeya fought for throughout her life? Can you tell the correct answer? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The correct answer will be women's right. Next one, Rokeya was born in. We have seen you just now. Rokeya was born in a village, a town, or a slum. It is very simple question to you that Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairabon. So, correct answer should be a village. Next one, Rokeya loved. What did Begum Rokeya love? According to your passage, what did Begum Rokeya love, or which language did he like or love? Only one word we know that she knew English, Bangla, Urdu, Arabi, Farsi, etc. But she loved Bangla from her heart. Next, Shakawat Hossain's working place was. Where did Begum Rokeya's husband work? The working place of Shakawat Hossain. Can you guess the correct answer? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is, the correct answer will be Bhagalpur. Next, Bhagalpur is a district in. Bhagalpur is a district in Bangladesh, West Bengal or Bihar. Can you memorize it? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is Bihar. The place is Bihar. Bhagalpur is a district in Bihar of India. Dear students, we are about to last of the class. I will give you some questions for your home study. I hope you will try to give the correct answer through any media, just like messenger, comment box or through phone calls. I will evaluate your question or your answer. So dear friends, what was Begum Rokeya's belief, or what did Begum Rokeya believe? Second one, what did she fought for? You can easily give the correct answer, I hope. And third question, what kind of family did she came from? What type of family did he come from? So that's are the question for you for your home study. So dear friends, before ending the class, I will suggest you some valuable matter. As time is not going well, we are affected by COVID-19. So you should follow some necessary particles or particulars, such as my advice for you: don't go out from home without necessary. Use masks as much as possible. That means when you go outside of your home, you must use masks. Keep 6 feet distance from one to another. Stay connected with your teachers for helping your studies. You always try to communicate with your teachers for your better performance of home study. Dear friends, here I like to finish my class. See you our next class. Thank you all.